In this video, I will show you how to make a Memoji on iPhone. So let's jump straight into it. So to make a Memoji, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the Messages app on your device. And from here, what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and press onto this icon to create a new message. Next, what you want to do is come down to the text box at the bottom, and to the left of this, you're going to see a plus button. If you go ahead and give this a press, and from these icons that comes up, what you want to do is come down to the bottom and press onto more. What that's going to do is load up some more different apps and icons and things like that, and you're going to see the option for Memoji here. So what you want to do is give that a press, and this way you can come to create your emoji. So what you can now do is press the blue continue button at the bottom, and then what you want to do is press onto the plus button, so this plus circle icon here, and that's going to take you to the Memoji creation screen. So what you can do from here is change things like your skin tone, you can do things like add freckles, change your cheeks and beauty spots, things like that. And also at the top you can change like your hairstyle and brows, eyes, nose, and all sorts of different things from here. So once you're happy with everything, all you need to do is come up to the top right hand corner and press the blue done button. Then we can just come out of this just like so. Then what we can do is when we start typing a new message, if we come into the text box, what we're going to do is press again onto the plus icon next to the text box. Then if you come and click onto stickers, and what you want to do is press onto the Memoji button, which is this button here, and what you're going to see is your Memoji with different kind of expressions and icons which you can send as a message. So that's how to make a Memoji on iPhone. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.